I have a Pentair MasterTemp 400 pool water heater. It needs servicing for sure, but the error code I'm getting is E05. I replaced Pentair ## Stack Flue Sensor, but still getting E05 error code. Anyway, looking for someone to come out and service, repair heater. Call me at ###. Thank you.
Who manufactured the pool?
The Pentair MasterTemp 400 was installed by Adam Pool October 10, 2012.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Nope.
Is there anything else the pool technician should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
All other pool equipment is running fine. Heater fires up, but within a couple of minutes it throws error code E05 again and stops heating. Bummer. The heater hasn't been serviced since installation. My poor maintenance program. Last summer it periodically heated and didn't. This year it just said I'm not heating anymore until you have someone come out and service me.
Hello, my name is there anything I can help you with about your pool heater?
Are you a technician? Do you service Pentair MasterTemp 400 pool/spa heaters? Also repair one if necessary.
I have done some research on this unit before contacting you, however I am not a technician for that company. I am however a plumbing technician and this unit is set up much like a tankless water heater. When heater turns off, is there a code/diagnostic light on the ignition module? It should flash 1 to 3 times if there is.
Did you read my write-up to JustAnswer? Code is E05. Also heater was installed October 10, 2012, and has not been serviced since installation. I'm looking for a Pentair technician to come to my house to service/repair the Pentair Temp Master 400.
Yes, I reviewed it and found that you did replace the flue sensor and it is still flashing code E05. I am sorry for the inconvenience.
Error code E05 has many possibilities as to why it's being generated. Flue sensor was the easiest to repair. If it doesn't resolve, you get into a much deeper analysis of what the issue is. Therefore, my request for a Pentair technician. Are you a Pentair technician?
No sir, I am not a Pentair technician, but it is similar to a tankless water heater is how they are set up and I saw no one had answered you, therefore I was trying to see if there was anything I could do to help.
Thanks, great 4th of July weekend.
Yes sir, you as well. Hi, my name is Are You? If read your previous note with our exceptional plumber specialist. If you would, you could tell me what area you live in and I will do my best to locate you a professional for your services needed.
Hi Shane, I've resolved. Thanks.
Glad you got it resolved.
I've resolved. Thanks for your reply.
Non-pro.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.